Located in the family-friendly, established and ever-popular Ocean Views estate is the quintessential and beautifully maintained 4-bedroom or 3-bed, 2-living configuration coastal home. A solid custom build by its current owners and enjoyed by all over many joyful years, and now available to the market for the first time. Come on in, let's check it out. Situated a short distance to both main beaches at Torquay and Jan Jark, a short drive to the famous Bells Beach Surfing Precinct, moments to the RACV Golf Course and Resort, Spring Creek Reserve, close to many local schools, Bell Street cafes and restaurants and shopping. For more details or to arrange an inspection and secure your ideal family home in one of Torquay's most highly desirable locales, reach out today.